Welcome. In a world that increasingly values sustainability, the idea of reviving waste into beautiful home decor and furniture is not only innovative, but also essential. Reclaimed wood and metal offer unique textures, stories, and character that new materials often lack. With the right creativity and vision, you can transform discarded materials into stunning pieces that elevate your living space while promoting environmental responsibility. When we think about waste, we often envision trash and clutter destined for landfills. However, the growing movement of upcycling encourages us to see potential in these discarded items. Instead of viewing wood and metal waste as merely refuse, we can appreciate their rich history and distinct aesthetic qualities. Each piece tells a story, contributing to a home decor style that is truly one of a kind. Reclaimed wood, with its weathered appearance and natural imperfections, brings warmth and character to any space. Its history might include being part of an old barn, a factory, or even a vintage piece of furniture. By repurposing this wood, you're not just saving materials from the landfill, you're also preserving a moment in time. Pairing reclaimed wood with metals can create a striking contrast that combines rustic charm with industrial chic. Metal, often viewed solely as a structural element, can also be a decorative feature in its own right. Metal accents can add an edgy, modern touch to traditional wood pieces, creating a perfect balance between different design elements. Whether using reclaimed steel, copper, or aluminum, the addition of metal allows for creative versatility, enabling you to craft art and furniture that resonates with a contemporary aesthetic. One of the best aspects of working with reclaimed materials is that it often comes at a fraction of the cost. Sourcing materials from local salvage yards, thrift stores, or even your own home can lead to incredible savings. This affordability opens doors for creative projects that might otherwise be out of reach. With a little ingenuity, you can create stunning home decor without breaking the bank. For those who enjoy DIY projects, the process of transforming reclaimed wood and metal can be immensely satisfying. Crafting your furniture or decor allows for personalization and creativity while ensuring that each piece aligns with your unique style. From coffee tables and bookshelves to wall art and garden decor, the possibilities are endless. Online tutorials and community workshops can provide guidance and inspiration, making it easier than ever for anyone to jump into the world of upcycling. Moreover, incorporating reclaimed materials into your home decor promotes environmental sustainability. By reducing the demand for new resources, you're contributing to a more circular economy. The environmental impact of furniture production is considerable, from deforestation to pollution. However, by using reclaimed materials, you actively participate in reducing waste and conserving natural resources. In addition to environmental benefits, reclaimed wood and metal possess an inherent beauty that new materials often lack. The unique grains, colors, and textures found in reclaimed would create visually striking pieces that become focal points in any room. Similarly, the patina of aged metal brings depth and character. These discrepancies can create a layered aesthetic that adds interest and warmth to modern interiors. You may find that art created from reclaimed materials becomes a conversation starter. Friends and family will likely be intrigued by the stories behind your furniture and decor. Highlighting these pieces, whether through placement or by sharing their backgrounds, allows you to connect with others on a deeper level. It's not just about having stylish furnishings. It's about embracing the narratives that accompany them. As you explore projects incorporating reclaimed materials, consider your space. Reflect on how you can use these incredible resources to complement your existing decor. Combining new and reclaimed elements can create a cohesive look that feels both fresh and lived in. Focus on colors, shapes, and styles that resonate with your vision, allowing the reclaimed materials to shine. In conclusion, the journey of reviving waste to create stunning home decor and furniture from reclaimed wood and metal is both rewarding and impactful. Not only can you save money and preserve history, but you can also make a significant contribution to sustainability. The next time you come across discarded materials, remember their potential. With creativity and an open mind, you can transform waste into art that enhances your living space and supports a greener future. We appreciate your interest in reviving waste and transforming it into beautiful home decor and furniture. If you found this content inspiring, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with others who share a passion for sustainability and creativity. Together, we can promote a more eco-friendly approach to home design. Thank you for being part of this journey.